Hey guys, welcome to Lobos Entertainment. My name is Ricardo and today I'll be going to be doing our Haldex service on this Audi A3. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's the parts you're going to need and the oil you're going to need for the Haldex service. You need this oil, this is what they recommend. You get comes with the bolts and washers, the filter, and also more bolts. You're going to need Allen, a 5 Allen, and a 8 Allen ratchet, pliers, and self-tapping screw for the washer. Sorry, for the filter to get out. So let's get started. A long bolt. Alright, so now you're going to use the 8. You want to use the 8mm and pull the fill plug, and then the drain plug should move a little bit faster. Use a different method. A small Allen, and I'm going to use the jack side handle. There we go. Pop. And once you come on one side, release this. Before I take out the filter, I'm going to put the new bolt they gave me. That come with the kit. It's right here. I'm going to screw back the drain plug. Alright, now to take out the filter. Alright guys, so you're going to need a 4 Allen key. I forgot to mention that. So you're going to need a 4 to pull these 2 bolts. See, I'll put the self-tapping screw in the hole. Okay, I managed to get that screw in there. Now to see if I can pry it out. Oh, there you go. Came right out. So this is what I did, guys. I put a bolt in there, and I just put the pry bar and pop it right out. Okay, so now to put the filter in. It's pretty easy. Okay guys, so once you pop the plastic thing out, then you want to use pliers like this. Go in. There you go. Came right out. This is the old filter. And I believe the new one looks similar. So basically, just slide this in and put the other piece that you pulled out earlier, and then close it back up. And that's it. Here's a new filter and whatnot I'm about to put in. This one comes with a spring in it, so it seems like it doesn't want to come out, so I'm just going to put it in. And this thing comes with its own screw and the plate, so I'm just going to pop it in. Alright, it's in fully. Now to put the screws in. Alright, Know how to fill it. So I want to show off a little handy tool that I have. I bought it from Amazon. This thing here. It will make your life a lot more easier. All you gotta do is unscrew this bad boy. Right? Push it in. And tighten. And all you gotta do is pump. So let me show you. So see, all I gotta do is push it in. And just put it in. All I gotta do is pump. See, and the fluid go. Yep, it's leaking out. That means it's full. Alright, now to put the screw they gave me. Alright, now to clean that off, get some brake cleaner and wipe it down. And that's it, guys. There you have it. So you probably want to drive the car around for a bit, and when you drive it around, you can come back and check it to make sure if you need any more. But I believe you're good. I believe it's 1 liter calls for, or 1 quart. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.